Do you want a guest house? Do you want a state-of-the-art playhouse for your kids that comes with updated windows, electricity, insulated, and a little heater that will heat the whole place? How about RV parking? Well, let me show you why this backyard really sets the stage for backyard oasis or an entertainer's dream. Every inch of this quarter acre is fully manicured with these beautiful raised garden beds, loads of flowers, and area for you to grow your vegetables. But you're about to see my favorite part, right here. The pergola, where I'm currently standing. This is what will set the stage for outdoor entertainment because you can do it 365 days of the year. The floor, fully insulated. 4 separate heating sources. You got this gorgeous view of your fully manicured backyard. You have a short throw projector, perfect for entertainment. Not to mention, you have a 16,000 watt generator that not only powers the pergola, but the entire house. Name another property that has that.